gorgeous Jen, and we are back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey boy, hey, welcome to the party. And if you're returning subby, you know what the vibes is, period. By the looks of this title of this video and by the looks of your girl ain't did nothing with her hair, this is a wig tutorial, y'all. I've already told y'all plenty of times that I'm getting into the wig vibe. I try to throw in a wig here and there, but I am not a pro. So this is definitely for beginners. Every time I do a little wig haul, it's for beginners. We ain't no pro, I don't know. But hopefully we will get there. So this wig I got from Amazon, and it is a glueless pre-plucked wig. And that tends to be like the easiest for me because I'm not really good with like extremely cutting the lace and trying to glue, let it set, put the band on, do this, do that, boop, 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 doo, boop, bop, 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 bop. Just kidding. I'm not good with all that. So this is for the girly girls who still want to be an it girl, but need it quick, fast, and in a hurry, and something super, super simple and easy. So let's get into it. I have not taken the wig out of here, so I don't know what it's looking like. But I will post here what the wig looked like on Amazon. So it's supposed to have like the body wave flow, easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. So let's see what she really looking like. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Please like, comment. Let's see. This wig is also down below in the description box in my Amazon storefront. So please get it. Once we see if we like it first. Let us see. But I guess it's the brand Aolida. I don't know. Can y'all see? This is what it's telling me on the package. Because it doesn't look like she came. Oh, well, let's see. Let's see where she come in. 100% human hair. Yeah, she really don't have a name to her. So she comes in here. It comes with a wig cap. And a few bobby pins. What happened to the lashes? Normally they give you girls lashes for the girls. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know why this don't have the name. I guess that's the brand. It has a tag. But y'all, I'm supposed to be doing some content and stuff this weekend, so I needed an easy breezy wig. This came same day delivery. Y'all know how Amazon Prime do. So I had to grab that. But let's see. Okay, she comes in a net. Oh, what fell out? I guess something to keep it fresh. Is this food? What's going on? So she comes. Okay, we bouncy. We love a good bounce. Bounce one shade walk. Bounce one shade walk. And then it has hair care info, and then a little thing. Thanks for purchasing hair from us. Recently we have a promotion. Congratulations, you are eligible to get a free new product from below pics. Please tell me which one do you prefer. What, y'all? I think I get a free wig. Bam. So I'm definitely about to reach out to them and try to give me a free wig, y'all. Look at, well, let's see if the hair is hitting info. But I love the bounce. That's really good. Let's take her out of, okay, just by looking at it, definitely have to, the little lace that's on it, you gotta put some makeup on that or something, because, but the hair, look at the hair, y'all. She looks good. Good bounce to it. No really stench. Let's look on the inside. So if you see the inside, I think this is a 5x5. Let me see. Yeah, 5x5 HD lace wig. So those are the ones I prefer because it's super easy. Because like I just said, I'm not good with the lace and trying to cut and lay it down, glue it down. I just need something real simple. And then it has the elastic band on the inside for the good grip. It looks like also you can tighten or loosen it to make it fit your head. So we're going to give that a try. But this is the scalp. It did say it had a deep part. Well, I guess it doesn't say it on here, but if I'm not mistaken, it did say it had like a deep part, but this is not looking deep. Well, I guess it is once you can kind of get it parted. Maybe I got to put it on first. Who knows? That's why your girl ain't that good, but you can see my hand through it. I'm gonna put some makeup on there. So let's put the makeup on there. Let me put the wig cap on and let's get this party started. Tune in, let's go. All right, y'all, let's try to put this bad boy on. All right, let's get this together now. Gotta do a little cutting there on the corners. So let me get my scissors. Get some scissors, y'all. Okay, y'all, I got that cut off. Now let's comb it. Brush this baby out. Now let's see what we can do about a part. Now I'm trying to think, should I cut? I feel like I want to cut a little bit more of the lace here. Be right back. All right, y'all, let's try to part this bad boy. Okay, I see a little part peeping through. Just by brushing this and feeling it, it is super soft. The body waves kind of came out, so I do feel like I need to put some curls in it. I did buy these. Let me show y'all. I don't know if you guys use these, but I've been seeing a lot of girlies on TikTok using this. But you guys remember these old school? I don't even know how these work. Let me see. It's kind of like Velcro-y or something. So I plan to use these. But let me go get my hot comb. Be back. So let's heat this bad boy up. And then let's put a little concealer. Concealer, baby. See how it's more potent now? Now you can see the part. What lace, baby? What lace, baby? Blue face, baby. This hair is like a very, very soft. Like, it feels really good. Look at the curl pattern. What did I do here? What is going on here? I do feel like I would have to curl her just a little to get more of the, because right now it's like a beach wave, but I want volume. I want boom. We always want a flat wig. Get this. Put that on. And then go over this again. Look at how flat we got her. Yes, the concealer is going through. What lace? Y'all, what lace? What lace? You the boss. You the boss, yeah. Look at us, y'all. We are killing it. Look at this. But let me turn around and show y'all the back. But you guys, I am loving this. See how simple, quick, and easy this was? She's long, 26 inches, glueless wig. As you can see. Oh, 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 oh. Glueless wig. You gotta be kidding me. Gotta be kidding me. This is a show stopping at the limit. But look at the volume. Ba 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 boom. And once I have like an outfit on, upstaging all these hoes, you feel me? Can't tell me she heard nothing, nada, zilch. I'm loving this. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, this wig is in my Amazon storefront below. It's right in the description box. I like the like messiness of it. Like, get into those curls. Look at that. Look at that. I love like the loose beach waves. That looks so nice. And same on this side. She is good, honey. But yes, y'all, please comment below what y'all think. Like, what lace, sweetie? Excuse me, say what? Like, you literally cannot see that lace. Let me get in close. I mean, okay, you get in a little closer like that, but to the naked eye, can you even see a lace? This looks like a weave, or it looks like it's growing from my scalp. Look at how I put the concealer, got my part down, bust down middle port. You feel me? She is. Ooh, look at that. But yeah, this is the wig, y'all. Like, I literally feel like I can just get up and go if I had an outfit on. Like, I ain't really dressed like that. I just needed to see what this wig was going to do and if it was really going to be easy breezy. Like, it literally was. Y'all see how quick this video is. Like, please. Make sure y'all like this video. I love this wig. I cannot wait to wear her this weekend. Styling and profiling. Styling, profiling. Get into her. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all get this wig in my Amazon storefront, y'all. Y'all don't want to miss this wig. Right now was $20 off. It was $89.99. You got $20 off. It's same day delivery. You can't beat that, y'all. Y'all cannot beat that. Make sure y'all go cop it. Make sure y'all tell them Just Jen just sent y'all. And I'll see y'all next time.